Today's session is about Philippine money for grade 2. The lesson is identifying, recognizing, reading, and writing money in symbols and in words. This is Miss Angel Carbelan, and welcome to Math in You. Alright, the learning goals are the following. Recognize and identify coins and bills up to 500 pesos and their notations. Write the amount of money in words and in symbols. Okay, let's have an oral drill first, or a review. Find the sum of the following. 90 plus 2. Very good, it's 92. 60 plus 5. Yes, it's 65. 100 plus 20 plus 4. Right, it's 124. Very good, kids. Alright, now this is our problem of the day. How much money do you have if you have 2 50 peso bills, 3 20 peso bills, and 4 5 peso coins? Alright, so get your pen and paper to answer this problem. You have 1 minute to answer this problem. Okay? Go! Alright, 30 seconds left. Ten seconds left. And time is up. Alright, let's see the solution. There are 2 50 peso bills. That makes 100 pesos. And 3 20 peso bills is 60 pesos. And 4 5 peso coins is 20 pesos. So to find the answer, we need to add the following: 100, 60, and 20. So the total is 180 pesos. Yay, good job! Alright, let's have a guessing game. Do you know these two people? Yay! Yes, you are right. They are former President Cory Aquino and Senator Benigno Aquino Jr. Alright, we can see them. Where can we find them? And have you seen them before? Where? Yes, in a 500 peso bill. Alright, children, what will you buy if you have a lot of money? Right, you have a lot of 500, you have a lot of 1,000, what will you buy? Okay, of course, we have to buy first our needs, okay? What we need before we buy other things that we want. Okay, we have to spend our money wisely. Alright, very good. Now, let's have a trivia. Did you know that our ancestors did not use money to buy? 03 until 09. Okay, alright. So let's have a practice. Get your pen and paper. Okay, you're going to write the amount in words. There are 4 items. I will give you 2 minutes to write this amount in words. Okay, ready? Go! Alright, time is up. Let's check if your answers are correct. Okay, so these are the answers. Look at number 1, 20-6 pesos and 50 centavos. Number 2, 150-7 pesos and 20-5 centavos. Number 3, 70-5 centavos. And number 4, 90-8 pesos. Alright, very good. Next, another practice. This time you're going to write the amount in symbols. So there are also like 4 questions, and then you will be given 1 minute. Okay, let's start. Okay, time is up. Let's check. Alright, check your answers. There, 30 pesos, 28 pesos, and 50 centavos. No more centavos at the end of 50. No more C. 3, 90 pesos and 40 centavos. And number 4, 100 pesos. Yay, great job, children. Alright. So I think that's all for today, kids. I hope to see you in our next session about comparing money. Please hit that bell button so you will be updated about my new videos. Thank you very much for listening. Bye!